हाय, वेलकम टू माय चैनल मैथ्स मेड इजी, जिसमें हम मैथ्स को इजी बनाते हैं। टुडे वी विल सी अपोलोनियस थ्योरम एंड इट्स प्रूफ। द थ्योरम इज इन ट्रायंगल ABC, if M is the midpoint of side BC, then AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. In figure, here it is triangle ABC and point M is midpoint of BC. So given is in triangle ABC, M is the midpoint of BC, and to prove is AB square plus AC square, AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square. थ्योरम को प्रूव करने के लिए हमें यहाँ कंस्ट्रक्शन करना है। We'll draw perpendicular on BC from A. Perpendicular is AD. We can see AM is not perpendicular on BC. Therefore, angle AMB is obtuse angle and angle AMC is acute angle. In triangle AMB, angle AMB is obtuse angle, and from application of Pythagoras theorem, we proved that side opposite to obtuse angle, that is AB, AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square plus 2BM into MD. So लिखेंगे हम in triangle AMB, angle AMB is obtuse angle. Therefore, AB square is equal to AM square plus BM square plus 2BM into MD. इसे देते हैं इक्वेशन नंबर 1. And now in triangle AMC, angle AMC is acute angle. Therefore, AC square is equal to AM square plus MC square minus MC into MD. So we will write now in triangle AMC, angle AMC is acute angle. Therefore, AC square is equal to AM square plus MC square minus 2 MC into MD. Now we know in triangle ABC, M is midpoint of side BC. Here it is given. M is midpoint of BC. Therefore, BM is equal to MC. इसे पहले दे देते हैं इक्वेशन नंबर 2 and now we will put BM instead of MC in this equation. So here it is AC square is equal to AM square plus MC की जगह लिखेंगे BM square minus 2 again here MC. Instead of MC we will write BM into MD. इक्वेशन 2 इसकी वजह हमें यहां देना है. इक्वेशन 2. Now we have to prove AB square plus AC square is equal to 2 AM square plus BM square. In equation 1 here we have AB square and equation 2 here it is AC square. So we will add equation 1 and equation 2. By adding 1 and 2. 1 में है AB square प्लस 2 का है AC square is equal to, see here it is AM square and again AM square. 1 में AM square है and 2 में भी AM square है. AM square plus AM square 2AM square plus here again BM square and BM square. BM square plus BM square is equal to 2BM square. And see in equation 1 it is plus 2BM into MD and in equation 2 it is minus 2BM into MD. Plus 2BM into MD minus 2BM into MD 0 हो जाता है, इसलिए इसे हम कट करते हैं, इसे नहीं लिखेंगे. So here we proved AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square, जो हमें यहाँ प्रूव करना था. AB square plus AC square is equal to 2AM square plus 2BM square and we proved it here.